My name is Biola Aduleado and I am 11 years old. And also, the title of my project is The Prevention of Diseases. It talks about how to prevent diseases, the diagnosis for it, and also the why I love programming is because my school teaches me how to program, and also mission artificial intelligence also helps in programming, so I also like programming, and also because my school teaches me of how to do programming. Okay, so my project is about prevention of disease, and the extension which I use is text speech. So how to demonstrate my project? Firstly, I use an extension called text speech.
Hi. Hello. Do you know diseases affect the health? No. What are some diseases that affect the health? Some include malaria, diarrhea, COVID-19. Can diseases be prevented? Yes, diseases can be prevented. To prevent malaria, people need to keep their environment clean. To prevent diarrhea, people need to wash hands before and after handling food. To prevent COVID-19, people need to wash their hands, wear nose masks, and sanitize the hands and head door after being touched. Also, when a person is ill with one of those diseases, what are the medicine or diagnosis? For malaria, use ART. For diarrhea, by using RS. For COVID-19, there are vaccinations for COVID-19. These are some prevention of diseases.
Now let me explain my code. My code begins when you click on the green flag, and also to say things orally, you need to click on the extension, and under the extension you have the text speech. The text speech helps people to say things orally. Also, I use Tools Sprite for my project, and also the project helps people to beat the pandemic. Thank you.